On May 8, BYD officially launched a brand new model in its Ocean series. The Sealion 07 DMI, with an official guide price ranging from $23,000 to $28,000. The Sealion 07 DMI is positioned as a plug-in hybrid midsize SUV, equipped with both DMI and DMP powertrains. The entire lineup comes standard with the LYNK&CO intelligent damping body control system, and all models can be optionally equipped with BYD's intelligent in-car drone system. In terms of exterior design, the Sealion 07 DMI adopts the latest family design language of the Ocean network, featuring the brand's signature C-shaped daytime running lights, along with a through-type light strip below. The front bumper incorporates a large trapezoidal air intake, highlighted by black trim and silver accents, while both sides are adorned with black decorative elements styled as air vent. The rear design is relatively clean, with through-type taillights that include droplet-style elements in a dot matrix layout. The BYD brand logo can also be illuminated in sync with the position light. The Sealion 07 DMI offers 4 exterior color options and comes equipped with 20-inch wheels. In terms of dimensions, the Sealion 07 DMI measures 4,880 mm in length, 1,920 mm in width, and 1,750 mm in height under standard conditions, with a wheelbase of 2,820 mm, positioning it as a midsize SUV. All variants of the Sealion 07 DMI can be optionally equipped with BYD's intelligent in-car drone system, priced at $2,300. With this system, the vehicle can support dynamic drone takeoff and landing, intelligent following, and one-click return-to-cabin functions. The built-in app enables features like tracking, positioning, and one-click video editing. After adding the drone system, the vehicle height increases from 1,750 mm to 1,940 mm, with other specifications remaining unchanged. For driver assistance, the Sealion 07 DMI is equipped with 1 top-mounted LiDAR, 5mm wave radars, 12 cameras, and 12 ultrasonic sensors. It utilizes the NVIDIA Orin X chip with a computing power of 254 TOPS, supporting functions such as urban pilot and highway pilot navigation. Inside the cabin, the Sealion 07 DMI embraces an oceanic aesthetic design. The upper dashboard integrates wave-like arcs, featuring an embedded full LCD instrument cluster. The floating center screen measures 15.6 inches and is equipped with the advanced D-Link 100 intelligent cockpit system, supporting AI-powered all-scenario voice interaction and integrated with the DeepSeek large language model. The steering wheel adopts a 4-spoke design and a column-mounted gear selector. The auxiliary dashboard area includes physical buttons and a 50-watt wireless charging pad for smartphones. In terms of features, the entire Sealion 07 DMI lineup comes with ventilated and heated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, rear privacy glass, Dynaudio sound system, power tailgate, and the LYNK&CO intelligent damping body control system. Higher trim models also include an in-car refrigerator located in the central armrest box, offering cooling capabilities from -6°C to 6°C and heating from 35°C to 50°C. For powertrain options, the Sealion 07 DMI offers 2 plug-in hybrid systems, DMI and DMP, both based on a 1.5T engine. The 1.5T gasoline engine delivers a maximum output of 115 kW. Lower trim models come with a single electric motor rated at 200 kilowatts, while higher trims feature dual motors. The front motor delivers 200 kilowatts, and the rear motor delivers 150 kilowatts. All variants are equipped with a 26.59 kilowatt-hours LFP battery pack, offering a pure electric range of 150 kilometers. Within the BYD group, the Sealion 07 DMI forms a dual-model strategy alongside the BYD Tang. What are your thoughts on the Sealion 07 DMI? Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more insights into Chinese automobiles.